Are you talking about a force which could intervene in Gaza from this region? Is that an option on the table?
If we talk this idea vis-a-vis UN Security Council, so there could be a mechanism chalked out. For example, they have very serious sanctions on countries who do not listen to them, and that is a very severe economic dent or pain they can create for any country, number one. If you're talking about this region, so I think it's the recent Arab interactions and the Arab League. I think they've already talked on these lines, some sort of combined security force type. Why not? What's wrong in that? They should. And according to their own capacity, on strength, they should create some mechanism, not for aggression purpose, but for peaceful purpose, for stopping the aggressor, for stopping the occupier, for stopping, somebody who just doesn't listen.
And where does a nuclear-powered Pakistan stand with that?
Nuclear-powered Pakistan obviously would stand as member of the Ummah, will discharge his duty.
What does that mean?
It means we ourselves believe that this is a deterrence which we never intend to use. We never used it. We have no intention to using it. It is only a deterrence. So, but Pakistan is having a very large, known, very effective army, very effective air force, very effective navy.